Hello Rotractors, welcome to SEARIC Sundays edition 2. Today we will talk about discussion groups on My Rotary, about how to find the different groups and to join the different groups as well, or to start your own group. So for that we need to log into My Rotary, and under the Exchange Ideas tab on top you will see the discussion groups option, where under which we see different options. So discussion groups is a wonderful tool to exchange ideas, connect to different Rotarians, as well as to learn about various topics. Discussion groups can also be used as a service project resource. You can join groups of your interest area to share ideas that you have, or even to learn more about particular topics. So let's explore more about discussion groups. Firstly, going to the first option that we see, that is My Groups. So under My Groups, we will basically see the list of groups that we have already joined. So once we as we scroll down, this is under My Groups, and we do not see any group that has been listed, since we've not been a member of a group yet. We've not joined any group as of now. So once again we go to the main tab and click on the option Find a Group. Find a Group is basically an option that we use to look for groups that we want to join using different keywords or search options. So once we click on Find Groups, we will already see a list of groups that are already present. So as we scroll down, we see the different groups. So if you want to join any group, you can just click on the Join option below it, and you will be directed to the Join option. You can also search for groups by typing different keywords. So for now, we're searching by using the keyword doctors. So we see the different groups listed below, which relate to doctors or relate to the medical field. Well, you can also sort the groups and also search by filter using language or category. So let's try using another search keyword. Let's search for groups that are related to RILA. So once we click on the search option, we see the different groups that are related to RILA. So we're going on the first group that we see, clicking on the group name. So you see a description of the group here, the language option, categories, tags, and also the different topics of discussion that are already there. And on the right, we see Join the Conversation option. So once we click on Join, we are directed to this particular page. So we again confirm by clicking on the Join button. So now we are a member of this group. So you can click on the different discussion topics. So we're clicking on the first one, that is RILA during COVID-19. And once you click on that, the range of discussion is seen here, different posts made by different individuals. And as we go down, you can also see a comment option where you can add in your inputs and your comments. So the next option that we will explore is how to start a group. So for this, we click on the Start a Group option, and here you see the different details that you need to fill in to create a group. The first one is the group name. So we type in the name of the group that we're planning to form. So for now, for a demo, we just type in Rotractors in Environment. So just to create a group wherein Rotractors who are working in the field of environment can connect, share ideas, and exchange ideas. And we also see the option to select the language. The languages in which communication will take place, and you can also select the categories, as we see areas of focus, avenues of service, and so on. You can also add a description about the group on the top. Then you can also add tags. Tags are basically the search words through which people will search for your group. And after you do that, you click on the Confirm button to form your group. So this is how we work on the discussion groups in My Rotary. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.